Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video I will show you how to fix can't share contacts from iPhone to iPhone with iOS 17. So, the first issue you may feel while trying to share contacts is one of both iPhones will give you this error message. It says receive contact information but there is no option to share. So I can share from this iPhone to this iPhone, but the contact on this iPhone couldn't be shared. Now to fix this issue, first of all go to search box and search for contacts app. From there, you are going to scroll up to the very top until you see your card. Next you are tap into your card and then you are going to tap on edit and then you need to add an email or phone number. So just tap on add email or add phone number, whatever you want to add. Then enter your information here, and if you haven't already, then tap on edit or add to create the contact poster and profile picture. And then we'll tap on done when we are done with all this. And now we are going to try again and hold both iPhones together to bring the file away. I hope this video will help you to fix the issue for can't share contacts from iPhone to iPhone with iOS 17. And if it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.